Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade French toast. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 4 large eggs, about half a cup of milk or cream, and a tablespoon of granulated sugar. Don't forget a pinch of cinnamon for that classic flavor. For the bread, aim for 6 to 8 slices of a slightly stale, thick-cut loaf like brioche or challah, which holds up beautifully to the custard. A shallow dish and a non-stick skillet are also key. Now let's create the delicious custard that gives French toast its signature taste. In your shallow dish, crack 4 large eggs. Pour in about half a cup of milk or cream, then add 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. For an extra layer of flavor, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Whisk everything together thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and uniform, with no streaks of egg white remaining. With our custard ready, it's time to dip and cook. Gently place 1 slice of bread into the egg mixture, letting it soak for about 10 to 15 seconds per side. You want it fully coated but not soggy. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in your preheated skillet over medium heat. Carefully transfer the soaked bread to the hot pan. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your homemade French toast is now ready to be enjoyed. For the perfect presentation and taste, serve it immediately while it's still warm. Drizzle generously with pure maple syrup or dust with a light coating of powdered sugar. Fresh fruit like sliced strawberries, blueberries, or bananas make wonderful additions. A dollop of whipped cream or a sprinkle of chopped nuts can also elevate this classic breakfast treat. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.